to the customer. So any plan where the customer
This
is
meeting
getting
is being recorded.
any plans where the customer is getting returns, the GST is 4.5% for the first year, and second year 2.5 percent, 2.25%. And where when it comes to pure life cover where there is no maturity benefit, the GST is 18%. Now in both the options, if you see, term plan, generally we talk about term plan that it is one plan that gives only death benefit. But here at Tata AIA, we have one feature that is inbuilt into the plan that helps our customers in case of living benefit as well, which means that in case of an uncertainty like a terminal illness. Now, what is terminal illness? It is not defined as a particular disease or a particular illness. It is a condition of a human body. So suppose in case due to any particular medical reasons, whether it is cancer, whether it is brain stroke, whether I had met with an accident, at that point of time my condition is such that doctor is giving me treatment, but I am not being able to recover because of that treatment, and there is no medicine that is working on my body. So I am at the last stage, terminal stage of my life, and doctor is of opinion that I will not be able to survive for more than 6 months. If such is the case, whether it is life option, whether it is life plus, both the options, we give 50% of the sum assured right away to the customer so that they can use that money for higher medical expenses or maybe the higher cost of living at that point of time. So terminal illness is nothing but a medical condition where the doctor has itself raised their hands that they'll not be able to uh, uh, treat the customer, and the customer will not be able to cure, and there is a less possibility that the patient will survive for more than 6 months. If such is the condition, whether it is life option, whether it is life plus, 50% of the sum assured will be given right away to the customer, and the remaining 50% will be passed on to the nominee after death. So suppose if I was the customer, I had taken a sum assured of 2 crore rupees, 1 crore would have been given to me in case of terminal illness is deducted, and 1 crore will be paid to my nominee on death. So that is the uniqueness of our term plan, where we have terminal illness benefit inbuilt. The customer does not have to pay anything extra. It is included in the cost of the term plan. So that is both there in life and life plus option. Also, the choice of premium payment term, the choice of policy term that are there present, whether it is life option, whether it is life plus option, and there are few features and benefits as far as riders are concerned. So if anyone wants to take additional protection, maybe because of death due to accident, there is accidental death benefit rider. If anyone wants to cover total permanent disability due to an accident, that rider is also available. If anyone wants to just cover any critical illnesses, we have critical illness rider that covers 40 critical illnesses. If anyone wants to cover hospitalization, we have hospital care benefit rider. So these are few riders that help our customers to enhance the cover during they protect themselves financially. So we will talk about one option at a time. So talking about life option, let us understand who is eligible and what is the eligibility criteria for life option. I hope I am audible to everyone and my screen is also visible,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Great, great. I just wanted to keep checking this. So if you see the screen, if I talk about Sampurna Raksha Supreme life option, the age at entry who can participate is minimum 18 years to maximum 65 years. But generally, most of our customers who buy term plan are beyond 22, 25 years of age, and at least around 50, 55 years of age. So this is our general customers who want to go ahead and buy protection and whom we suggest protection both the ways. So 18 to 65 is the eligibility in the plan. Anyone can participate. The minimum policy term is 10 years and maximum 82 years, which means anyone who is participating in the plan, whether it is 18 years or 65 years, can cover their life for the minimum tenure of 10 years. So if I'm 18 years, I take a policy term of 10 years, my life cover will continue to 28 years. If I'm 65 years, I take a minimum tenure of 10 years, my life cover will continue to 75 years. So minimum is 10 years, maximum is 82 years, subject to maximum age at maturity at 100, which means if I'm 18 years old, I can cover my life for 82 years. That is up to age 100. And even if I'm 65 years, I can cover it till age 100. So any which ways, I am getting a protection till age 100, which means uh, if I consider the probability of living or maybe the average life that an individual lives, it is almost 70 to 75 years. That is the average number of years the individual lives. So we do have a coverage of up to 100 years of age, which means if the customer is surviving till age 100, or if something happens till age 100 also, we are providing life cover. That is, death benefit is almost guaranteed here, I can say. So minimum sum assured that we can start with is 50 lakh rupees. Maximum will totally depend on the eligibility of the customer and the underwriting. If I talk about premium payment term, you can see the screen. We have single premium and the customer can enjoy the life cover till the policy term. So whatever life cover number of years I want myself to get protected, I can just pay once and get myself protected till the entire policy term. If I talk about a regular pay, wherein whatever policy term I have chosen, suppose my age is 30 years and I have chosen a policy term of 50 years. So here we have minimum of 10 years, maximum 82 years, subject to age at maturity at 100. So suppose in my example, 30 is the age and 50 years I have taken policy term. So I will be protected till the time I am 80. So 80 years my life will be protected, and I also have to pay if I'm taking regular pay till age 80, because here the policy term will equal to the premium payment term. So it is just till the time I'm taking protection, till that period of time I have to pay the premiums. Limited pay is again a unique option where the customer can choose to pay for less period of time and enjoy the cover for a higher period of time. So if I am a customer, I have in limited pay in life option, we are so flexible at Tata AIA that we are not saying that we have in life option, we are not saying that we have 5 pay, 10 pay or 12 pay only. We are saying that our PPT is so flexible that we can go ahead and pay 1 year before the policy term. That is, if I have a maximum policy term of 82 years, I can choose to pay for 5 years minimum, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, any year till 81 years. So that is depending on my pocket, I can customize my premium. So that's how we are flexible as far as premium payment is concerned. All the options are available. If I have to take one example and explain how the plan would work, how will the life option work? So here, if you see, I've taken an example of 35-year-old individual. The life cover, the sum assured is 2 crores. Just ignore this 1 crore here. It is a typo error. 2 crores is the life cover that the individual has taken. And since the age is 35, the individual wants to take a coverage till the customer is 100 years of age, which means the policy term will be 65 years. That is 100 minus age at entry. 35 is total 65 years of protection that I am giving to my client. So here PPT that we have chosen is a limited pay, that is 10 pay. So the customer will pay for 10 years, enjoy 2 crores life cover till their age 100, and the cost is 1,63,400 excluding GST, because we have taken a limited pay. Hence, you are able to see this cost of 1,63,400 for every year. Total, the customer will almost pay 16,34,000 for the next 10 years and will enjoy a life cover of 2 crores from day one itself till age 100. So in case anything happens, whether it is 4th year, 10th year, or 65th year of the policy term, like the customer's age is 100 or 99 or 98, at any point of time death happens, 2 crores will be given to the nominee and the plan will close down. In case terminal illness happens, the coverage of terminal illness would start after 2 years of the policy start, and it will continue till age 85 only. So terminal illness is something that for which the cover starts after initial 2 years, and that will continue till age 85. So if I was the customer, terminal illness happens to me because of cancer, if the doctor has says that you will not be able to survive for more than 6 months, 1 crore will be given to me immediately to cover my higher expenses, and the remaining 1 crore will be given to me after my death. And irrespective, I live after 6 months or die before 100, if I die, my nominee will get that remaining 1 crore. So that is how life option will work in any scenario for our customers. So if anyone has any questions as far as life option is concerned, you may want to ask the question here. Anyone?
హాయ్, మీకు ఎవరికైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే కనుక హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేయండి, నేను మిమ్మల్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను.
All right, looks like there is no questions from the audience, so I feel that everyone is able to go ahead and understand what I have told. And also, yes, Rajkumar sir has one question. Yes sir, you can go ahead and ask.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. I have one question. So recently, I taken this Sampurna Suraksha. So there I got like 1.5 year coverage. So if I need to increase in future, so what is that I need to do? So there I have eligible for 1.5. Now when I am increasing my package, so if I need to take increase one more year, is it possible on the same policy?
Yes, yes, it is possible in the same policy, but for that you should have selected the life stage option before opting for the policy. However, in not in all cases we will be able to increase the cover. There are specific period of time. There is one period wherein in case you are getting married, second period is in case you are gifted with kids, at that period you can increase your life cover, and third period is in case you are going ahead and buying a new house. At that point of time you can go ahead and increase the life cover, but generally we don't advertise or maybe talk about this option is because we are into a partnership business. So if you as customer or maybe you as a partner is presenting this particular option to any other customer, then this enhance in the sum assured may not give you in income or maybe commission for selling the particular same enhancing the same policy. So definitely there are other options. You can buy a new term plan as well, taking into consideration whatever existing sum assured you have, that will be reduced from the overall eligibility. And if you are eligible for more, we can go ahead and give it to you. I hope I've made my point clear. Great, great. So someone who has asked in the chat box that explain the single premium. So single premium is nothing, just one time pay. A single premium, if I talk about overall, is cheaper. Overall is cheaper as far as uh, uh, single premium is overall as cheaper as far as overall premium is concerned. So whether it is life option or life plus option, or if I'm taking a limited pay or a regular pay, there there you can see single premium will be more cheaper than any other payment option, because if I go ahead and pay for number of years, I will end up paying a higher amount. If I go ahead and just pay one premium, though the initial premium would look higher, but yes, the uh, overall cost will be cheaper. So that's what I wanted to talk about uh, single premium. Any other questions? All right, let me just check the chat box to see the questions. Just give me a moment. All right, if anyone has can anyone help me out read the chat messages in the boxes?
Hello.
All right. Yeah, so I got one question from Gopi sir that whether we have portability from existing other companies. So we are unable to do that portability. The individual has to buy a new insurance for themselves. So we are not able to port from one company to another. The transfer is not available. Yeah, so you can unmute and ask questions. People who have raised their hands. Siva Kumar sir, Anirudh sir.
Yeah, I had
Hello,
taken
sir.
Maha Suraksha plan 30
Hmm.
days back. So, but that is not included with life option. So, can we include it now?
Maharaksha Supreme is the same, like life option. There also we have the same option, that is death benefit is there. So it is
Yeah.
somewhat equal product, similar type of a product. It is just because uh, for customers who require high sum assured, for them we offer Maharaksha Supreme.
Okay, but that in that we don't have option like if someone gets sick or not, I mean, illness for lifetime, then there won't be option to gain some amount, right?
No, there is terminal illness benefit there also, which means in case the individual is terminally ill, we give them benefit also.
Okay, okay, that option is
Yeah.
there.
Okay. All right.
Hi, sir. Good morning. My name is Shivakumar.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, recently I taken Supreme Raksha policy,
Hmm.
and I received yesterday only policy copy, which I need to check cross check on this policy copy
Okay.
for any correction, sir. It's mentioned correct or wrong.
Okay. That for that our local team, we have
Uh,
Pradeep and we have Kiran. They will
uh,
get in touch with you and help you out.
uh,
All right. So be
okay,
assured we are there to help you out, since we have short of time, and since we are discussing about the product here, we will discuss that one on one.
okay,
All right. So let me
okay.
proceed further with the next option, and then we can keep this session open for question and answer. So just give me a moment. Let me quickly go ahead and share the screen. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Am I audible and the screen is visible?
Yes, your screen is
Okay,
visible.
great.
You can go ahead.
Great. So next option is Life Plus. So if we have any situation in our life that we want to buy a term plan, and if nothing happens, then Life Plus option is one option that we can go ahead and choose for ourselves. Now, this particular option, if I talk about the eligibility criteria, anyone who is 18 to 65 can participate. The maximum age at maturity can be 100 years. However, the policy term for single and regular pay is minimum 10 years, maximum 40 years, subject to age at maturity at 100. And for limited pay, that where we have payment option of 5 pay, 10 pay, 12 pay, we have the policy term as maximum 50 years. So if I talk about an example where if I'm 35 years of age and I have taken protection life plus option till 75 years of my age. So here my life cover that I've chosen is 2 crore rupees. My here I've chosen a regular pay, which means I will be paying premium for almost 40 years till the time I'm enjoying my life cover. So 35 is my age. If I've taken a coverage of 40 years, I will enjoy the life cover till age 75. And I've also chosen that I'm going to pay premium till that particular age, that is regular pay. So here the GST would be on a lower side. 57,800 is the amount of premium that I am supposed to pay for 40 years to get a 2 crore life cover. And the GST cost will be 4.5% for the first year, and second year it will be 2.25%. So first year GST would be 2,600 rupees on 57,800, and second year onwards it will be 1,301. So overall, the customer is I as a customer I'm paying 23 lakh 12,000 as premium for 40 years. And in case something happens to me in these 40 years, my family will get 2 crores of life cover, and also the total GST that I have paid is 53,340. Now, in case nothing happens to me till I am 75 years of age, whatever I had paid as premium, 23 lakh 12,000, of that 105% to will be given to me back as maturity payout. So something happens to me, 2 crores to my nominee. Something never happens to me till the time I've taken the life cover. 105% of my paid premium will be given back to me. That is 24 lakh 27,600 will be paid back to me as a customer. So that is what is life plus option. There are three benefits here, and also in case terminal illness is there, terminal illness benefit of 50% of the sum assured, that is 1 crore in this case will be available. So there is life cover of 2 crores, terminal illness benefit of 1 crore, and if nothing of these two happens, there is a maturity benefit of 24 lakh 27,600. So that is how the life plus option would work as far as term plan is concerned. Last part is something that I want to cover is how I can go ahead and how much should be my minimum income, minimum education qualification, and what should be my average income. So that is something we will see. So anyone who is 12th pass can participate in the plan. Suppose if I'm 12th pass, I can take, whether I'm salaried, whether I'm self-employed, whether I'm businessman, we can go ahead and take life cover for ourselves. As far as income is concerned, minimum income is 5 lakh rupees. So if my income is 5 lakhs, earned income is 5 lakhs or more than that, I'm able to participate. And even if in case I am not 12th pass, I am 10th pass, I can still participate, but my overall income should be more than 10 lakh a year. So if I'm 10th pass, my income, whether I'm salaried, whether I'm self-employed and businessman, my income is more than 10 lakh, I can easily go ahead and take this particular term plan. So as far as protection is concerned, we have these two options available with us. The benefit is we have one that is pure protection that gives only life cover and terminal illness, and we have the other option that is life plus option, where we are giving life cover, terminal illness benefit protection, and also we are giving maturity amount in terms of paid premium of 105% of the total paid premium back at maturity in case nothing happens to me. So I can open this session for any question, any thing that the participants want to ask. So if anyone can help me out also to read the question from the chat box, it would help me a lot. Pradeep, Kiran, if you are present, if you want to add anything in case I might have missed.
For the taken
Sir,
policy,
Yeah,
please go ahead.
I am having a doubt, sir. Actually, I have taken a policy in Aviva Life for 50
okay,
lakhs at the
okay,
age of 33. Now I'm at 45 years of age. Suppose if I
okay.
want to take a policy as a new one, I need to pay premium more, na?
Yes, absolutely, sir. So we always do not suggest our customers to go ahead and cancel their old plan, because it is benefit for you, because older term plans that you have taken is cheaper at that point of time. Now, because of a lot of changes that has happened because of the COVID coming into picture, here the cost of protection has increased. So if you want to buy a new term plan, yes, there will be a little bit higher cost, but yes, I suggest you must go ahead and buy a new term plan basis your income at this point of time. So at that point of time, whatever your income was, you had taken a term plan for yourself. But now it is always important from time to time to go ahead and check how
Revise the
much
policy.
protection I need. Yes, revise the life cover that we have so that our family has sufficient amount. God forbid that doesn't happen. In case I'm not there, I'm able to give them a sufficient amount of protection from the life insurance. Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. What is the claim ratio in this Tata AI?
So if I talk
AI.
about claim settlement ratio, our overall, first of all, let me also tell you that we are the highest retail protection providers in the country. So whatever term plans that we have sold is the highest in terms of any other insurance companies. So our term claim settlement ratio is 99.06 for the last year. And overall, if I talk about till date, it is 98.06%.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Right. Thank you.
you're
So
welcome.
I have taken 2 crore Mahasuraksha plan,
Hmm.
Mahasampurna Suraksha, and with 1 crore accidental benefit. Okay,
Okay,
death
okay.
accident.
Hmm.
So now, can I remove that accidental benefit and then add this life plus option?
A life plus option is not a rider, it is a term plan. So if you want something that is as far as return of premium is concerned, we will not
Mhm.
be able to add into the same policy. We'll have to go ahead and buy a different one.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. Fine, thank you.
you're welcome. Anyone else has any questions? So someone from Happycoin can help me read out the questions from the chat box.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. so that we can take all the questions.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, one person asking one question. We Pradeep Kumar, can we take two term plans in two different companies?
Yes, definitely. As far as you are eligible, you can go ahead and take two term plans in two different companies. It is only the life cover, that is the human life value, that needs to be justified. So if I am a 40-year-old individual, all right, and my income is almost suppose say 10 lakh rupees, and I'm eligible for 2 crores life cover. I've taken 1 crore from one company, and I still further have an option to go ahead and take 1 crore. It may be from the same company or any other company that can be chosen. Yeah. Anyone else has any other questions? So participants can unmute themselves and also ask questions if they have any. So premium for a person aged between 60 to 65, again, that will be based on the life cover that they are choosing. So in case if someone is choosing for a higher life cover, the premium would be higher. So that we can discuss case to case basis, and tell you the amount of cover. You can take in two companies, but mm, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I'm just trying to get the messages on my screen. All right. So 1 crore or 50 lakhs, we will go ahead and share the codes with you. So right now I'm working on a system where I do not have access to do that. Otherwise, I would have loved to go ahead and share. I'm aged 38. I can take maximum 50 lakh. Can I got 2 crore insurance with 4.8 lakhs package? As I had mentioned before, that it will totally depend on your age and your income. So we have Tata AIA team who will go ahead and help you out. So if your income is 5 lakhs and your age is 30, so you can take almost 25 times of your income. So that is where the general calculation lies, and we can help you about that. If anyone wants to take in, yeah, so we have mentioned a Excel sheet where you can just fill up the form and your most of the questions will be taken. What would be the difference between the amount of a single pay compared to the regular pay? So if I talk about the difference would be on a little bit of higher side, almost sometimes up to 50% of total premium. So more than that also, depending on the premium payment term that is chosen. Yeah. So Sivakumar, you are asking a question. Yeah.
Sir,
So
in
if I
policy, any waiting period is there? This before you said that critical illness or terminal illness.
terminal illness, there is a waiting period of 2 years, but life cover will start from the day one itself.
Okay. And we can take more than one policies and claim.
Yes, yes, you can take more than one policies. Uh, it will be totally depending on the eligibility that you have.
Okay. Salary into 20 times, right?
Yes, yes, depending on your age. All right, so we've got a form that is there in the chat box. If anyone wants to go ahead and get more information, you can put your details over there. Our team will connect and we will go ahead and help you out with different options that we have available, suitable to your needs. So anything that Kiran or Pradeep you want to add before we go ahead and wind up the session? Or anyone from Happycoin wants to add anything?
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మీకు ఇప్పటి నుంచి అయితే మాత్రం ఇన్సూరెన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ సందీప్ అనే పర్సన్ మీకు డీల్ చేస్తుంటారు హ్యాపీ కాయిన్ త్రూ. మనం ఇన్సూరెన్స్కి న్యూ పర్సన్ని అపాయింట్ చేశాము, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫర్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్. హిజ్ నేమ్ ఈస్ సందీప్. ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ హిజ్ మొబైల్ నంబర్ ఇన్ చాట్ బాక్స్. యూ కెన్ సేవ్ హిజ్ నెంబర్. అండ్ if anyone want to take the term insurance, you can fill the form.
Absolutely, you can fill the form and we will be able to get in touch so that we can help you out with solutions. Yeah, Sunil Kumar is asking a question. You've raised your hand, so if you could please.
సునీల్ గారు మీరు మాట్లాడండి సార్, అన్మ్యూట్ చేశాను.
Hi, this is Sunil. Actually, I missed the session. Right now, my age is 38 years. What is the premium I need to pay for this one?
You can enter the details in the chat box. There is a link that has been shared. A specific team member will get back to you for the amount of premium and all the details. So be assured, we will go ahead and call you back on that.
Already I am having Aegon life insurance of 1 crore.
Okay.
Right now I missed this session. What is this means? At last moment I have connected. You are. I saw that for 35 to 40 years, it's at the age of 75. The premium amount what I have paid, you told that it will be returned. This policy is still 100 years or only 75 years?
No, it will be for maximum of 50 or 40 years. So if depending on your age, if the age is today is 40 years, I'll be able to take either for 50 years, so it goes to 90 years, or I'll be able to take it for 40 years and it will go till 80 years. So depending on my age, I'm able to take two options, up to 40, maximum of 50. So 50 and 40 year policy terms are available. So if my age is 60 years and I take 40 years, it can go up to 100 also. But it wouldn't make any sense as far as return of premium is concerned to take at 100 years, because first of all, return of premium, when you take the policy, we take it for an intention that I'm going to live long. And if I'm taking a policy till age 100, there is a certainty that my death is possible. God forbid that doesn't happen. But if that happens, then if I'm taking till age 100, it would make sense to go ahead and take a plain life cover where I'm not getting anything back, but yes, only the death cover. But if I'm taking a return of premium, take it for 70 years, 65 years, so that while I'm alive, I'll be able to get the money back.
Okay, got it.
And if I have to talk about Tata as a company as compared to other companies, first of all, yes, we are in the market a company who is ranked 3 in private life insurance segment. So we are number 3. First is SBI, second is HDFC Life, and third is Tata AIA. But if I talk about protection plans, we are the #1 company. So that is one thing. Apart from that, we are giving additional benefits to our customers, like Medics and Practo. These are services that help, and that is coming free of cost. So Medics is nothing but in case my sum assured is more than 1 crore, I give a personal second opinion in case of critical illness like cancer and heart attack, where I am able to connect with almost 6,000 doctors worldwide without any cost to go ahead and get a second opinion for the treatment. Treatment will happen in India by the customer's cost. But yes, if anyone wants second opinion, they can use that service. We have Practo as a service where we are offering medical consultation with doctors for consultation free of cost. So in case you have taken a term plan, that service will come free of cost. If your sum assured is more than 50 lakh rupees, that will come free of cost to you, where you can consult with doctors for treatment 4 times in a month, free of cost. And in a year, it is 48 times. So these are few additional services that we are giving. Apart from that, if you compare the cost, we are very competitive as far as other life insurance companies are concerned. So since this was a question asked in the chat box, hence I have addressed that question. Any last question that anyone wants to ask? All right. So since there is no question, we can go ahead and close this session.
One more
Yeah.
thing. Person asked a question: why we
Yeah.
should choose Tata AIA compared to other insurance companies?
Yeah. I just explained about that because of the benefits that we are giving. We are one of I would not say the cheapest, but we are very cost friendly as far as cost is concerned. So apart from that, the features, additional benefits that we are giving, like in terms of Medics and Tracto, these are the services that we are offering. Apart from the basic life cover that we are giving, generally these services cost additional to our customers, but we are offering it free of cost. All right. If we still have any additional questions, I would request the team to go ahead and fill in the form that is mentioned in the chat box, so that we can go ahead and personally get in touch with you and help you about those questions. Yeah, over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Shomani, for explaining the Tata AIA term insurance plans benefits.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మీకు ఎవరికైనా సరే టర్మ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అనేది ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే కనుక మీకు చాట్ బాక్స్లో ఆల్రెడీ మీకు లింక్ ఇచ్చాము, ఐ మీన్ ఫామ్ లింక్ ఇచ్చాము. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ పర్సన్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఇచ్చాము. మీరు ఇదర్ ఫోన్ కాల్ ఆర్ ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేయండి, సో దట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ కాల్ ఫ్రమ్ టీమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thanks everyone. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you everyone for attending this session. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.